A tiny seed holds a big secret. It can grow into a tall tree. First, we plant the seed in soft soil. We give it water and sunshine. The seed soaks up the water and starts to sprout. A little root pushed down. A tiny stem reaches up. Soon, it's a small plant. The plant grows bigger, reaching for the sky. It needs sunshine and water to grow strong. Flowers start to bloom on the plant. Bees and butterflies visit the flowers. They carry pollen from one flower to another. This is called pollination. After pollination, the flower can grow into a fruit. Inside the fruit are seeds. These seeds can grow into new plants. Sometimes the flower grows into a vegetable instead of a fruit. This vegetable also has seeds inside. When the fruit or vegetable falls to the ground, the seeds scatter. If they land in good soil, they can start to grow. The cycle starts all over again. A new seed becomes a new plant. The plant grows tall and strong. It flowers, makes fruit, and spreads its seeds. The tree provides shelter for animals. It cleans the air we breathe. It gives us shade on sunny days. The tree's leaves fall to the ground. They become food for the soil. This helps new plants grow. The tree stands tall for many years. It watches the seasons change. It provides a home for birds and squirrels. The wind blows its seeds far and wide. These seeds find new places to grow. And so, the cycle of life continues. From a tiny seed to a mighty tree. The seed's journey is truly amazing. Each seed holds the promise of a new beginning. A new tree, a new life, a new hope. So plant a seed and watch it grow. You'll be amazed at what it can become.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.